everyone, I am Excel Gwen Manuel Valdez from San Jose Jones, Isabela. Singing and playing guitar or ukulele are my talents that make me special. Music can change my mood or feelings. Sometimes music is the only medicine that the heart and soul need. I know how to sew also because it is my major when I was in high school. Sewing is something I do to calm myself and to relax. I also make calligraphies and slogans that make me feel comfortable or happy when I am doing it. 10 years from now, I see myself as a teacher and having a family. Being a teacher won't make you rich, but it will enrich your life.
The art of teaching is the art of assisting discovery.